Welcome to Home Delivered Meals. I would like to invite you to learn more about home delivered meals. Many of you may have heard about Meals on Wheels or home delivered meals. These are two names for the same program. My name is Lourdes Chu, the nutrition specialist from Age Guide, and I'm here to talk about home delivered meals. Are you or someone you know interested in home delivered meals? What are home delivered meals? Home delivered meals are served to older adults who are homebound and unable to provide their own meals. These meals allow them to remain at home and be independent. Meals are delivered up to 5 days per week. Meals are approved by a registered dietitian, and each meal provides 1/3 of the daily nutrition needs of the average adult. An assessment by the Care Coordination Unit needs to be completed to determine eligibility to receive home delivered meals. There is no cost to participate in the program. However, participants are welcome to donate toward the cost of the meal. No one is denied a meal if unable to contribute. Who qualifies for home delivered meals? Older adults who are ideal candidates for home delivered meals include those who are 60 plus and are homebound. Do you know somebody who has had a recent illness, an injury, a loss of mobility, or other barriers that makes it difficult for them to shop and prepare food at home? Home delivered meals may be a great option to consider. Home delivered meals are for those who are frail and or homebound, unable to shop, prepare, or obtain meals, have no one available to prepare meals for them or take them to the store, and for an older adult who is unable to attend the community dining meal program. Here are some of the benefits of home delivered meals. Home delivered meals offer well-balanced, nutritious meals to improve health. A daily well-being check is part of the service and helps ensure the safety and health of the older adult. For many participants, the person who delivers their meal is the only person they may have a conversation with on that day. Meal recipients also receive information about nutrition education and other local services available to support them. Home delivered meals help with the recovery process of older adults from recent hospitalization and rehabilitation. Home delivered meals also provide peace of mind for the recipient, their family, and their loved ones who know that because of these daily meals, the recipient is able to stay in their home and be a part of their community where they want to be. The two most important nutritional health services identified by participants at Age Guide's recent needs were 27% identified meals delivered to home and 26% well-being checks with meals. Home delivered meals make a big impact. Meals on Wheels in America has provided the following statistics that show just how important meals are in the lives of homebound older adults. Daily home delivered meals help keep 8 out of 10 recipients who have previously fallen from falling again. 9 out of 10 recipients say home delivered meals improve their health. 2 out of 3 recipients reported that home delivered meals make up half or more of all foods eaten that day. Also, 9 out of 10 recipients report that home delivered meals help them live independently. Lastly, home delivered meals can serve an older adult for an entire year for about the same cost as just 1 day in a hospital or 10 days in a nursing home. Where can you get home delivered meals near you? Hopefully, you can think of someone who can benefit from getting home-delivered meals. Contact Age Guide at 630-293-5990 or send an email to info@ageguide.org or go to www.ageguide.org for more information. To learn more about the services Age Guide provides, visit our website, subscribe to our monthly newsletter called The Aging Report, and engage with us on social media, including Twitter and Facebook. We post lots of useful articles, resources, and notices about the events in the area.